Hello, welcome to 100 Crown Chakra Affirmations. Let's begin. I am connected to the divine source of all creation. I am one with the universe. Divine light flows through me effortlessly. I am connected to all that is. I am a spiritual being having a human experience. I feel the presence of the divine within me. I trust my connection to universal wisdom. I am united with the infinite. I see the divine in myself and others. I am connected to higher realms of consciousness. My consciousness expands every day. I am open to higher states of awareness. I welcome enlightenment into my life. I am awakening to the truth of who I am. I am aligned with divine intelligence. I expand beyond the limitations of the mind. Higher wisdom flows through me. I see life from a higher perspective. I trust the unfolding of my spiritual journey. I am awakening to my highest potential. My mind is calm, quiet, and spacious. I embrace stillness and inner peace. Peace flows through every part of my being. I am free from stress and worry. I release all distractions and embrace silence. My inner world is serene and balanced. I am present, centered, and at peace. Stillness brings me clarity and understanding. I find peace in the here and now. My soul rests in divine calmness. I trust the divine plan unfolding in my life. I surrender to the guidance of the universe. I release control and trust the flow. I am guided and supported in every moment. I trust the wisdom of life. Everything is happening for my highest good. I am open to receiving divine blessings. I let go of what I cannot control. I surrender with faith and grace. I trust that I'm exactly where I need to be. I am a channel of divine wisdom. My mind is open to spiritual insights. I receive guidance from higher consciousness. Spiritual knowledge comes naturally to me. I understand the deeper truths of life. I am guided by inner wisdom. I see beyond physical limitations. My wisdom grows as I expand spiritually. I trust the messages from my higher self. I am receptive to sacred knowledge. I am fully present in this moment. I am aware, conscious, and awake. I am part of the universal whole. I feel connected to all living beings. My awareness expands with each breath. I understand the unity of all existence. I embrace the interconnectedness of life. I honor the sacredness within every being. I am connected to the infinite present. My consciousness is boundless and free. I am filled with divine light. Love flows through every cell of my being. I radiate pure spiritual light. My energy is aligned with unconditional love. I am a beacon of divine illumination. The light within me is eternal. I am surrounded by divine love. My soul shines with purity and grace. I am embraced by the light of the universe. My presence uplifts the world around me. I am aligned with my soul's purpose. I trust the direction of my spiritual path. My purpose unfolds naturally and beautifully. I follow the guidance of my higher self. I am aligned with divine intention. I fulfill my spiritual purpose with clarity and joy. I walk the path of truth and light. I am guided toward my highest destiny. My soul knows the way. I am aligned with the mission my soul came here to fulfill. My crown chakra is open, balanced, and aligned. I release all limitation beliefs about myself. I dissolve illusions and awaken to truth. I am free from attachments that no longer serve me. I release fear and embrace spiritual liberation. My energy is pure, clear, and expansive. I am open to divine healing and transformation. I let go of separation and embrace oneness. I am free, conscious, and deeply aware. My soul expands with every breath. I am connected to the infinite source of wisdom. I am pure consciousness. I am aligned with my highest self. I am the light of the universe expressing itself. I'm a spiritual being in perfect harmony. I am the embodiment of divine truth. I am the infinite awareness behind all experience. I am connected to the eternal essence of life. I am open to divine awakening. I am one with universal consciousness. Thank you for being a part of this video. Until next time, bye.